Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sticky 5-spice soy sauce chicken. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. I'm using 2 pieces of chicken thigh, cut into half like this, total weight about 480 grams. 1 full stalk of spring onion, just squeeze out a little bit. I want the juices to be out so that the sauce will be fragrant. Just put it in like this. Okay. You will need some white pepper, freshly grounded white pepper. I want this dish to be both sweet and savory, so I'll be using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, you can always use normal white sugar or cane sugar. Add in also 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce or caramelized dark soy sauce. We will need also 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Now the important thing is to mix them up well. Use your hand so that they can be really mixed up well. When you're mixing it up, you can also squeeze out the juice from the spring onion. Okay, mix it up really well. And we'll leave this in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. Best if you could, overnight. Also, I'll see you back in a while. I'll be cooking the chicken using my Greenpan Dutch oven. Heat up your Dutch oven or your pot. Add in 1 cup of water. Add in also 1 piece of cinnamon bark plus 2 pieces of star anise. Put the lid on and wait for it to boil. The water is boiling already. Let's have a look. Now we'll add in our chicken, skin side down. And pour in all the sauce, including the spring onion. Don't waste this. Pour everything in. Now at medium heat, we'll cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. The chicken is basically cooked already. So now we just need to reduce this sauce. Turn the heat up to high. Smells really good. This will take another about 3 or 4 minutes. You want to reduce the sauce so that the sauce will stick onto the chicken and then it will look very pretty and taste very nice. Just turn the chicken to the other side. And we continue to boil without the lid. It's so that the liquid can evaporate faster. Smells so good, I'm hungry already. Our sauce has been reduced to a very sticky kind of a sauce right now, which is what I want. I think I'll just boil it down a little bit more. Wow, smells really fantastic. This will be excellent with rice. Now remember to move the chicken frequently when it's at this stage because you don't want to burn it. It's easier if you use a non-stick pot to do it, which is good. It's fantastic for doing this kind of dish. This Greenpan Dutch oven is actually a non-stick base. Look at how beautiful this is. Our chicken is done already. As long as you can see that the sauce actually sticks onto the chicken very easily, that means it's done. Okay, so let's turn off the flame and serve this dish now. And now the meal is done. Let's have a taste. Very flavorful. The sauce is on the chicken. The marinade is fantastic. It is sweet, slightly savory, really good. This will be fantastic with steamed rice or with noodles. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.